everybody, it's Kim Otakov KRO Designs here on my channel. Thanks for stopping in. I've got a chunky monkey for us to flip through. This is my October setup, and of course I do change the outside cover quite frequently because it's easy to transfer the inserts. So that's how I make it nice and new and fresh for me throughout the month. But this, I think I'm going to stick with this for the month. This is Mommy Lhey's Back to Basics. It's got this wonderful gold stripe with the black and white, and I thought it looked really classy with my spooky, creepy, but not scary planner setup. And of course, I've got some K&Co bow over here on the side. The inside cover, of course, has these pockets, and I've got a couple of bookmarks here in the back, which are, of course, Halloween themed. And then I did get a calendar insert from Cutie Star with their monthly kit, and I just used it extra little bits that I had lying around, and I made a cute tag for a bookmark. Of course, I've got some note paper and another bookmark. See Amy Draw. She had this really great digital, and you'll see this throughout my entire planner. This is this wonderful Halloween circle design. I just stacked it in Photoshop and added my name to the top that she drew me earlier. I've got spooky hands. These are from Oriental Trading. After my kids got too big to trick or treat, we just had a Halloween party for the neighborhood, and that's where I got those from. I've got another tag here with some color cast designs, which is also this resin here, again here, and this wood. Those are all color cast designs. And then, of course, throughout this planner, well, you'll see little touches of Fairy Tale Scrapbook Club. She did a great job with their Halloween kit last year, and I had some leftovers, so I thought I would just use them in here. I've got Washi Tape Warrior down here, and my trick for adding things to the front inside or the front cover of your planner is to use washi tape down on your planner so it won't hurt your planner, and then you can just glue other parts on top of it, including this color cast designs, this half circle with the heart. And then a couple paper clips to round it out. Of course, K&Co is one of my faves. So let's talk about this insert cover. Again, I took that circle digital design and then just kind of made a random design in Photoshop. I did change it to black and white and printed it out with my laser printer on black paper. That way I'm able to foil it, and I chose halo foiling for it. You might want to, if you do have a mink and you're willing to try foiling, make sure you keep it around the 3 or 4 setting, because the pigment in here wants to pull the foil onto it too. So a 3 or a 4 on a mink setting is a great way to add the color there. This I just did in the regular colorway, so this is exactly what it looks like the other way, just not printed on black paper. She also has this digital October. I just masked it with an ombre black to orange, and then I got a little creepy with an eyeball that I just added to the front cover of this October Annie Plants printables. And of course you can see another one of those circle designs that you'll see throughout the planner as well. Here's my month spread. I'm using Cutie Star this month along with Clever Gal Crafts, and I have them just off camera. I haven't quite finished up yet, but those go in here on the back later on after we finish filming. The next page here is normally the Annie Plants tracker. What it'll be is like the days of the month and then a list of things you can track. I normally don't use that page very often, but this month instead I made a little collage of some of my favorite fall things, including football and corn and just some fun things I remember from the years past that we did for our month. Now, of course, October's not over. The first week is, so I'm just going to go ahead and flip through my week last week. Of course, I've got this vellum that was a full sheet, but I just wanted to, again, do a little stitching here and make it kind of like a flip. I'm really interested in the textures of having things in my planner, so I'm just going to go ahead and quick flip through. I've got a few little fun little bits flipping throughout. Her kit was very vibrant and bold, and I thought that was a great departure from what I usually do. And then I've been putting my extra Cutie Star stickers here in this. This is just a bag that I wove between the staples and of course decorated the both sides, and so I've got them here at the ready, and I can move that throughout the planner or add a new one for later on. So here's Saturday. Of course today is Sunday, so I haven't quite finished planning for today, but Saturday was a good day and I thought it turned out pretty cute. I did start setting up next week using again that same Cutie Star stickers and some last month's kit, the September kit. But I haven't quite finished the week, nor have I finished the month. But there you can see the back side with the bag. I thought that would work well for the last week of October. There's, again, I can slit this open and make it another cut, or I can just remove it later on. Again, I'm really kind of addicted with this circle design. I know you're probably sick of seeing it, but I'm like experimenting with larger designs in my planner. Usually I'm super finite and detailed, and I wanted to do something big and bold this month. Again, here's the back side. This, again, is Fairy Tale Scrapbook Hub, but I notched the corners for some visual interest, and I slid it so I can pop this little guy in here so he's kind of creepy. And then, of course, I just have this, it's kind of like a pocket, but it's a cute little spooky house for me. And then I wrote creepy, of course. Here's the inside cover. It's Welcome to Our Town of Halloween. And I've got this A5 divider, which, if you can just imagine what I did. So I have the kitty cat on this side. You know, it goes across the whole entire A5 divider, and I just slid it down here, and then I flipped this side over, so when you turn the page you actually see the back side of the cat, if that makes sense. And then, of course, I'm just being silly with this whole boo thing because it, you know, makes a reference to, you know what, October. This is my monthly spreads. We're getting close to the end of the year. I've used this very faithfully throughout the year, and then, of course, I've got November started, but not in December. Got this trick or treat here. Again, this is a very simple inside cover. The back side is See Amy Draw. And what I did was digitally, she has this in her shop, and this is the 4x6. I just went ahead and digitally put it on this, you know, a background square of the jeans color. And then after it was printed out, I just took some very heavy adhesive washi tape, which I knew would pull the color off. And so that's how I made it distressed. I did make a little bit of a notepad here using, again, that October here with the notched corners. And it's really cute. I think it turned out well. Nice place to doodle. Here is the back side of that. I just used, again, that Kim with the ombre and some extra bits of paper with them notched bird's tail going up and down instead of sideways. Again, I've got this circle design on vellum this time, but on this background paper it adds a little bit of visual interest. This is the inside of the cutie star. Came in the last month's kit with this autumn fall. And this vellum went with the kit as well, and it worked well with the color scheme I've got going. Here's the back side of that. The next one is Mommy Lhey Designs. She has an October kit that's kawaii but Halloween based, which is super cute. So I wrote this Hey Boo, and of course, again, I'm experimenting with the larger digitals. So I've got that. And then here's the back side. Again, it's larger boo. And then I did do, again, another vellum here with some boo circles. But on the underside of the paper insert cover, I did a half of a spooky eye of this little girl here. And then I just had a visual interest square here. So it kind of adds a little spookiness, but not scary. Again, here's the back side, had another triangle like that. Here's the next insert cover, which is just layers and layers and layers. I think it starts off with this is the background layer, and then I had punched these circles out of this paper, and then I turned the circles over to create the backside pattern, added some washi and a few little bits, and there you go. So it kind of has the circles involved with that insert cover. Here's the back side is Boo. And then at the end, of course, I have some sticker storage here, my November stickers down here, notepad, and of course washi tape down with a little glue dot so I could have a little See Amy Draw saying on the bottom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Take care, everyone.